Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix black screen camera issue on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to fix this issue? First, you have if this software glitch. Sometimes a temporary software glitch or bug by cache camera modifications. This can happen after a major software update like iOS 17. So then second solution you have check for update. So then you have open the setting and then you have click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version on your iPhone available, so you have must be installed on your iPhone. Then third solution you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait. Then do not lose 10 to 10 5 to 10 seconds. So mobile is restart, then your problem will be fixed. Then fourth solution you have reset our settings. So you have open the setting and then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset our setting. iPhone given a password, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset our setting on your iPhone. Then last solution you have while using a camera app and then you have facing this issue. So then you have a camera, then you have a double home tab button. So then you have remove and then you have restart the camera app, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.